Have a great first day, Leo. I'll be here after school.
What if I don't know anyone, Mom?
Just smile and say hello. You'll be fine.
Park Lane School. This is my school now.
Okay. I can do this. It is just school.
Good morning, everyone. We have a new student today.
Hi, everyone. My name is Leo.
Find a seat, Leo. We are all very glad you are here.
Thank you. I will try my best.
Okay, class. Today we start the Welcome Project. You must find a partner and make a scrapbook together. Find your partner by lunch. That is the rule.
A partner. I need to find a partner. Everyone found a partner. Everyone except me. I don't know what to say to anyone here. I need a partner. I have to find one by lunch. I don't know anyone here. Not one person. Everyone already has a friend. Not me. I wrote it down. That makes it real. What am I gonna do today? There. She is alone too. Maybe I could go over. I could just walk over. I could talk to her. No. I can't do it. I don't know what to say. Can I sit here? I wrote it. I can write it. But I can't say it out loud. The words won't come. Can I sit here? Can I... Okay. I can do this. I can just sit down. Just say hi. Just one word. Say hi. Hi. Can I... Is this seat free? Oh, they don't want me here. They closed off. I didn't even get to say one word. Okay, I have to try somewhere else. I have... Hi. Is this seat okay? I'll just sit here.
Oh, hi. Yes, yes, of course. Please sit down.
Thank you. I'm really glad I could sit here. Can I sit here? Sorry.
Oh, that drawing. Is that our school gate?
Yes, I like to draw. I draw when I'm nervous.
It looks just like it. That is really good. Are you new too? I started here just today.
Yes, I'm new too. I started today as well.
Me too. I don't know anyone here yet.
Me too. I'm really glad I sat down here.
No. Oh no. My diary. That is my diary.
Oh, those are words. They look like a list.
Please don't look. I'm sorry. I write in it. That was really not good. Now everyone saw it. My diary was on the floor. Right there. Lunch is coming and I still have no partner.
I read these words. I know this feeling too.
Oh, you do? I mean, that is okay. Really.
Nice to meet you. My name is Yuki.
Nice to meet you too. My name is Leo.
Hi, Leo. Are you okay? You seem a little quiet.
I'm a little nervous. Yes. This is my first day.
Me too. That is okay. We are the same. Don't worry, I'm nervous too. Me too.
Really? You are? That makes me feel better.
Would you like to work together? On the project?
Yes. I think we can do it. I really do.
We have a partner. We are working together. Leo and Yuki. We chose each other.
Wonderful. I'll write your names right here on the list. Leo and Yuki. A perfect team. Well done, both of you.
I'll draw the school gate first. Is that okay?
Yes, and I'll write the names. Here, this part.
That looks good. I like how you write the words.
Thank you. Your drawing is very good too, Leo.
Oh, wow! That is our school gate! That is amazing! Yes, we are making a scrapbook for the project. The library is the best room in the whole school. I can show you.
Really? Can you show us now?
This is the fiction section. These are all stories.
There are so many books here. I love this room. Can we put the library in our scrapbook too?
Yes, and the gym too, and the art room. Come on. Listen to this. I was nervous too on my first day.
Really? Someone else felt that way too?
Now I love this school. That is what they wrote.
That is us. That is exactly us right now.
Make his fake scrap going to say.
This scraps book is wonderful. You found a great partner, Leo.
Thank you so much. We worked really hard on it.
We did it together. That is why it is so good.
I am very proud of you both.
Mom, listen to what I wrote. I wrote it today.
What did you write, Leo? Tell me everything.
I don't know anyone here. I wrote that this morning. But now I know someone. Her name is Yuki.
Oh, Leo, I knew it. You did just fine.
Dear Diary, today was my very first day here. I was nervous, but I found a friend today. Her name is Yuki. We worked together all afternoon.
Here are our words from today. I don't know anyone here. Say it. Can I sit here? Now try. Are you new too? Say this. Nice to meet you. And this, I'm a little nervous. Here's another. Don't worry, your turn. Now say, would you like to work together? Last one. I think we can do it.
Hope you liked this video, and don't forget to like and leave your comments.
See you next time.